Hi, my name is Noah Dury, and this is Tornado TV. Seniors, Grad Night will be held at Disneyland this year. Grad Night is going to be on June 11, 2022. Tickets are $200. The first ever flag football tournament will be on February 6th, starting at 9 a.m. Sign up for the tournament at the student store. The football tournament is free. If you ordered a package from the photo company, please come to the student store to pick it up during snack or lunch. That's it for now. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Tornado Times HHS. Be responsible, respectful, and engaged. We are Hoover.